Hello and welcome to Azure Wala YouTube channel. We are in part 107 of Microsoft Certified Associate series. So far we have completed 183 questions in previous videos. Today we are going to look into question number 184. Question 184. You plan to create an Azure virtual machine named VM1 that will be configured as shown in the following exhibit. We are on basic tab. We are creating in one subscription under one resource group. Virtual machine name is VM1, region is US West US, and this is important setting where availability option is no infrastructure redundancy required. Image is Windows Server 2016. Let's scroll down. The planned disk configuration for virtual machine 1 shown in the following exhibit. So we are on disk tab. OS disk type is standard HDD. On advanced section, use manage disk setting is set to no. Since the used manage disk setting is no, therefore disk will be created in a storage account. Let's scroll down. You need to ensure that virtual machine 1 can be created in availability zone. Which two settings should you modify? To understand it better, let's go to Azure portal. We are in Azure portal. We will go to resource groups. We are in resource groups. We will go to resource group 1. Under the resource group 1, we will create a new resource. Create. And we are on basic tab now. We have one subscription, resource group, name of the virtual machine is VM1, region is East US, and option here was selected no infrastructure redundancy required. That means it will be a one virtual machine without redundancy. Next, we are on this tab, and as it was selected standard HDD, now we will go to advanced tab. In advanced tab, when we uncheck use manage disks, it will ask for storage account where we can create the disk in storage account. When we go to basics tab and change the option to availability zone, we can select the availability zone. Let's say if we would like to create the virtual machine in zone 1, and then we go to disk tab, we can see in the advanced tab that use managed disk is checked. Means we cannot create disk in storage account. It has to be managed by Azure only, because the availability zone requires managed disks. Let's go back to basics tab, and if we again change it to no infrastructure redundancy, if we check in disk tab, we can see in the advanced that this checkbox is enabled. Let's go back to question. Therefore, these two settings would be, first of all, we will be selecting the availability option for zone redundancy, and the second setting, use manage disk, would automatically be changed to yes. Therefore, option A and option C are the correct answer. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.